So we're starting off with these clones guarding the secret society. In the middle here, there's an island. Like on the island is a cat reading the newspaper. I wonder what the news is about. If you keep going inside of the eye, there seems to be a castle here. It looks very evil. Oh, actually, let's go up here. There seems to be some sort of a room here. It's images on the wall, pictures. Well, and if you go inside of this, you see a guy in a bustling city. If you keep going, you can see the Death Star. That's from a famous movie. Do you know which one? But if we keep going past this, we're actually inside of this. There seems to be this society that's built around these crystals. Let's just keep going. And inside of this crystal, there's actually a panda on top of a cloud eating a cupcake. But if you keep going, we can see that the cupcake has a cheese on it. But on top of the cheese, there's a woman having a rest on her towel. On top of the towel, there's a pineapple. If you keep zooming into the pineapple, there seems to be something inside of it that's actually old cell phones in space. We're just going to pass those. We're going to what seems to be, yes, that's the Death Star again. We're just going to keep going. And there's the Earth. But if we go into that, we see those are the same people. No, wait, what's reptile?